Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we'll be discussing the major question that is asked in many of the interviews, that is what is the difference between flat and flat map? Why we need to flatten the array? Why we use flat for flattening array and why we use flat map? So these two things we will see in this video very clearly, okay? But before that I just need to say you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for this kind of interesting videos. So let's start the video. I'm using VS Code. I have created a file that is index.js, and I'll first create one array which is a nested array. So what does the nested array means? Nested array means an array containing another array is known as nested array. Okay. So let me write 1, 2, 3. Any number I am writing randomly. In this, what I'll do, I'll create one more array like this. Similarly, here I can also create one more array. In my previous video also, I said how we can flatten the array. So first, let me show you that as a, let me console.log arr dot flat. If I'll not write any label here, label means how many nested labels are there. Right now we can see it is one level of nested array. If I'll write this much and after that if I'll run it in my terminal, so you can see it is printing it, the array without any nested arrays, right? But what we need, if there is any kind of a nested labels, like this 5 will be again inside one more array. If this 5 will be there inside one more array, and if I'll run this, so it won't work. So at that scenario, what we need to do, we need to mention the label means the nesting level, okay, that one. So if I'll write 2, then I'll run this, then you can see it is printing the array without any nesting labels, but previously it was printing like this. So here we understand that is the work of a flat. So what does that flat map means? Flat map means we can use the flat functionality as well as map, the combination of both. Why we use the map method? Map method we use to iterate and perform some kind of operation, but flat map gives another way, like we can perform the operation and flatten the array. So let me show you that one also. First this I'll comment, and then I'll write one more console.log, and this time I will do array dot flat map. Here I'll get one element from the array and I'll return the array just to check that this will be printing the required array without any nesting labels or not. So if I run this, you can see it is printing that, okay, without any nesting labels. So flat map also does that. Flat map is used for operation. So in this array, what I need to do is to just let us assume my interviewer have given me a task that if it is an array, then does not perform any operation. If it is not an array, then you can multiply that element with 2. So how I can do? In an array, we can easily get a length that we know. So I can check if array, because element can be sometime array. At this time it is 1, at this time it is 2, but at some time it will also become element as a array. So we can check if element dot length exists, then what we need to do, we need to return the element, because as we have been given the task to do that. Else what we need element multiplied by whatever the number. Let us assume 2 is given by the interview. So let's see, is it doing our work? So I'm compiling, and once compilation is done, you can see 1 2 is true, it is printing, then it is printing 4, which is also correct, then it is returning the array, then it is again printing into 256 into 2, that is 112, correct. So similarly it is printing the correct values only. So what we understood from this, flat map is used for flatting the array as well as doing any operation, and flat is used for only flatting it to a certain label that we can also define in it. That's all for today guys. If this video is interesting, please subscribe the channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's meet in the next video.